Hi everyone, it's me again, Julie, and welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to do another DIY, which is gonna be this dress, and I'm going to turn it to skirt without sewing or cutting it. I'm just gonna turn it to skirt from dress. Yeah, from dress to skirt. So if you guys want to know how I turn this to skirt, please stay tuned and I hope you enjoy watching. So this is how the dress looks like. Right. Now, I'm just gonna take this off. I'm already wearing another sleeveless. So if you see this, I'm just gonna pull it until, so yeah, you just have to pull it there and then do it again on the other side. Alright, so now it's gonna be like that. Right, just have to pull it down a little bit there, and then have to see it at the back, do it like that, and then I'll just have to tie them together. There you go. And then this one, it's gonna look like that. Just have to push it like that, and it looks like a flower ribbon something. So yeah, that's a skirt ready. It's easy. So that's done. And that's it, guys. I hope I gave you ideas how to turn your dress into skirt. I hope that helps. And please, if you have any suggestions, please comment it down below, and I would be happy to try and do it if I could do it. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy it. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and click that notification bell for another video. Thank you guys for watching. Love you all. Bye.